Nice little bike path leading me out of Sofia this morning. Heading up into the mountains, into the clouds. I'm hoping that when I get to the top I'm going to clear the cloud cover, get some nice views, some nice blue sky. So that was the 6th consecutive day that I've had a puncture. Sometimes had 2 in one day. And it's always the rear tyre. So what I've done is I've switched the front and the rear tyre. Because I'm carrying so much more weight over the back of the rear tyre, that's always the one that gets punctured. So that tyre is a little bit more worn out. Hopefully that'll buy me a couple of 1,000 kilometers. It's been so cloudy this week, it doesn't really make for a very interesting video. But I had a day in Skopje where it was kind of nice, like not very cloudy. So I could see some stuff around the city. But as soon as I leave the city and gain any sort of elevation, I'm just back amongst the clouds and I can't really see more than 100 meters in front of me. It's quite eerie, quite cool to ride for, but a little bit scary at times when dogs come charging out of the mist and start chasing you. But other than that, it's cool. I'm up at about 1,100 meters. I think I'm near the top of this mountain. I think I've got about another 100 meters or something to climb. It's starting to snow, but it's just a little bit, so the roads are all okay. That's me just coming up to the border of Albania now. It's a hell of a climb to get here. Not very long, but very, very steep. Oh, or maybe my legs are just feeling it. I don't know. Just crossed the border into Albania, and the sun's come out like instantly as I crossed the border. Man, Albania is beautiful. I don't know if it's just because Bulgaria and Macedonia, I couldn't see anything because the clouds, like they might look exactly the same. But now that the weather is cleared up and I can actually see, it's really nice here. Only done about 80 kilometers for today, but that's the sun starting to hang kind of low in the sky, so, and there's a nice hostel here, so I think I'll just stay here for tonight. And that only leaves me like 60 kilometers or something to get to Tirana tomorrow. About 60 kilometers to go to Tirana, Albania's capital. The weather is beautiful today. It's the first day I've had in a long time it's been over 10 degrees. I'm down in this little valley just now, but to get there I'm going to need to cross like quite a big mountain. I think it's like 1,000 meters up. So yeah, I'll just get going, enjoy the nice weather for once, enjoy the views, it's really nice. Yeah, and I'll get to Tirana when I get there. That's me just arrived in Tirana. What a day to get here, man. That's been the first time in ages that I've just been like riding for sheer joy of it. Like I would come back here on another holiday and do that ride all over again just for the sheer fun of it.